Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the personality test with Glasp. So we analyze your personality traits based on your books, articles you read, and so that you can discover who you are. And also, since we are the community of power leaders, and as you import some books and articles, you can connect with other like-minded people and leaders. Okay, let's dive into how to use it. And it's pretty simple. Once you sign up and install our browser extension, we have a browser extension on Chrome, Edge, Opera, you can on Safari too. And once you uh, download the Chrome extension or browser extension, and you can import some books from Kindles, and you can select some countries, you are using, Kindle. And in case of, like US, and so it takes you to read.amazon.com/audiobook, and you will see a small widget on the right top. So this is from our browser extension, so that you can select some books like this. You can select all or clear all. Then you can export as text format, CSV format, Markdown format, or import to Grasp. And as you import to Grasp, and you are ready to analyze your personality. And yeah, you can import in one click. And so that, then after that, if you click this, analyze your personality button, and we analyze your personality based on the books. This is powered by like a large language models. Then you get some personality traits like, intellectual, entrepreneurial, or philosophical, whatever, based on, your books and articles you read. And then it's not only personality test. Actually, as you import some books you read, you will get daily reviews of your highlights and notes. I mean, I think you read so many books, but a month later or 3 months later, you forget, what was important, what you resonated with in the books. So we want to help you remember what was important. So we send, daily reviews, so that, like a 5 to 10 highlights every day, so that you can remember, this was important in the book or something like that. And then you can actually connect with other like-minded people through the books you read. So something like this. And so, since we are the community of leaders, power leaders, and you can learn from other people's. Okay, let's dive into it. And then I assume, you download, sign up and download extension, and also imported some books to your account. Then if you click analyze your personality, and you will see this get personality insight. Sorry, I already analyzed some tests, so we have results, but you can do so. You can analyze, you can get your personality traits, like many times as you want. So if you click it, and our system analyzes your personality traits in the backend. So it takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then let's see. All right, I got the answer, the new result. So it's similar, I got similar results because the books I imported are the same from the previous one. So, but you will see, okay, who is Kazuki, based on your reading preference and your blah blah blah, and these are 8 personality traits that I have, like open-minded, curious, adaptable, and so on. And then it shows, how to be a better reader or learner based on your reading habit. And also it shows, some book recommendation, what to read next, and something like this. Because in my case, I did, many Japanese books, and it suggests some like Japanese books. But if you have some books, and if you click it, it goes to our community page, so that you can see who read, these books, and who are your mutual readers, or potential like-minded readers, and you can learn from them. Then this is a summary. And yeah, so this is how to use our personality test. And hope you like it. And if you have any feedback, question, then please let us know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.